A Do Not Resuscitate Order, or DNR, is a patient's official instruction to all medical personnel that states the patient does not wish to be treated medically in the event that his or her heart or breathing functions cease. The form is meant to deny life-prolonging treatments such as CPR and other resuscitation procedures. In this video, we'll discuss information about DNR forms and their importance, as well as where to get a free and official template. To begin, let's review what is a Do Not Resuscitate Order. A Do Not Resuscitate Order, known as a DNR, is used by patients who do not wish to receive life-saving treatment if their heart or lungs cease to function. Instead, they opt for a natural death. It's typically used by patients who are terminally ill or by the elderly when they do not wish to prolong their life for a certain reason. More on that in a minute. Let's first look at the 3 treatments that DNR forms deny. All CPR treatments such as mouth-to-mouth and chest compressions, electric shock by defibrillator, and breathing tubes inserted through the patient's mouth. It's important to note that a DNR doesn't deny all medical intervention. The patient will still be able to receive other modes of treatment like medical drugs. DNR forms only aim to deny emergency CPR-related treatment. Now let's focus on the importance of a Do Not Resuscitate Order. DNR orders serve as signals for physicians, EMTs, and other medical personnel to follow when considering resuscitation. Physicians can simply refer to the legal document in a hospital setting. However, patients are often given bracelets or wallet cards to convey DNR orders in case of emergencies outside of a medical facility. Patients that choose to have a DNR in place usually suffer from advanced age, terminal illnesses such as terminal cancer, dementia, Alzheimer's disease, prolonged pains, and other long-term diseases or disorders. These patients are likely to have a DNR set up for personal reasons or sometimes due to a doctor's order. Though it does instruct end-of-life instructions, the DNR alone doesn't provide directions regarding other, less immediate medical support. Those orders, however, can still be detailed on a separate living will document. Finally, let's conclude by reviewing what to include in a Do Not Resuscitate Order form. Drafting the DNR form will allow the patient to record his or her intentions, and it'll draw immediate attention to not resuscitate the patient as instructed on the legally binding form. Therefore, be sure to include the patient's name, the state that governs the document, the patient's or the representative's consent for the DNR order along with a signature, a physician's authorization, and witness or notary acknowledgement if necessary. Keep in mind that all states have different signing requirements to officially make the DNR form legally valid. All 50 states, with the exception of Kentucky, will require a physician's signature, and all states require the patient's or their medical representative's signature, with no exceptions. We're eForms, the largest database of legal documents. Access your free legally binding DNR templates at the link below.